You're going to learn how to clap the rhythm of Skin and Bones. That is really the hardest part of this song. In this song, we don't just have a quarter note colored in circle with a stem that's worth one beat. We don't just have a half note with an open circle, a stem, and it's worth two beats. We have a dotted half note. We have these half notes with a dot next to it, and they're worth three whole beats. We also look at the meter, and it says 3/4. That means there's three beats in each measure, and the quarter note gets the beat. So we should have 1, 2, 3 quarter notes in each measure between these bar lines. But this song is a little different. It starts with a pickup. Technically, this is only a partial measure that we start with, and it's technically on beat 3. So we start the song on this beat 3. Then this is a brand new measure. This quarter note isn't the first note of this measure. It falls on beat 1. It's lasting only one beat. So this quarter note comes in on beat 2 and lasts just on beat 2, and this happens on beat 3. We have a new measure where we have beat 1, quarter note. This quarter note's on beat 2, and this quarter note is on beat 3. Let's try and clap just that beginning part. Ready, go. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pretty straightforward. Here's where it gets tricky. In this new measure, we have a half note that is worth two whole beats. So it starts on beat 1. It is held into beat 2. This quarter note is on beat 3. The way we clap it is we only clap on beat 1 and on beat 3. Let's clap that measure. Ready? Just this measure here. Half note and quarter note. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. That's it. This measure, it has half note with a dot next to it. A dotted half note is worth 3 beats. So this note starts on beat 1, is held into beat 2, and is held into beat 3. This one, you only clap on beat 1 and you hold the others. Let's clap this one. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. You should only clap on beat 1. This one is the dotted half again. It starts on beat 1, held into beat 2, held into beat 3. So we only clap on beat 1. This measure is a half note followed by a quarter note. So this, we start on beat 1, we hold it into beat 2, then we do this note on beat 3. So we clap on beat 1 and 3. Then at the very end, we have this. We have two notes of the same pitch being connected. This is an E and this is an E. They're not two separate E's. They are tied together. When you have a tie, it's connecting two notes of the same pitch and just making it longer. So this note starts on beat 1 because it's a dotted half. It's held into beat 2. It's held into beat 3. But it's tied into a quarter note, which means that it is also held into the next beat 1 and the next beat 2. So we hold it for 3 beats plus 2 beats. It's really held for 5 whole beats. Let's clap the whole thing. 1, 2, 3. Ready, go. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then we can even repeat it. Let's clap it again. I'm going to point along to where we are. Double check right here that you're really going to hold these for 2 whole beats. Ready, go. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Good job. Now you're ready.